أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري. Dear students, we start exercise 1.6. This exercise is very important according to examination point of view. So the one in 1.6 exercise we will solve the linear equation with two variables. Now there are two methods to solve these equations. One is inversion method and the second is Cramer rules. We will apply both methods to solve these equations. Now this is our first part of the first question. 2x minus 2y is equal to 4. 3x plus 2y is equal to 6. Now first step of this solution is we write these equations, the coefficient of these variables in matrix form. Now this is our matrix form. 2, this 2, minus 2, this minus 2, 3, 2. Now again we write these variable x, y and is equal to and this 4 and 6. Now we have written these equation in matrix form. Now it is our A and it is our B, it is our X. Now this is X, this is our B, now this is B. We have A is equal to, this is our A matrix, 2, minus 2 and 3, 2. Now here X is equal to, this X is equal to two variable x, y. Now B is equal to, this our B, 4 and 6. Now we have written separately A is equal to, X is equal to and B is equal to. Now again from A, X is equal to B and X is equal to, this will remove and on the right hand side we write A inverse multiplied by B. Now we know that A inverse is equal to adjoint A over that A multiplied by B. It means we will find first of all that A, then adjoint A, and we put these values in this formula and we get the answer in the solution of x and y. Now first we will find that A. Now matrix A is equal to 8 matrix is 2, minus 2, 3, 2. Now this is our matrix. We write this matrix in a that form. That A, determinant A. We write this determinant A is equal to this 2, minus 2 and 3, 2. Now this, we write this. Now we solve, we find the that of A. It means you will find this value and this we multiply 3 minus 2 values and 2 multiply 2 multiply by 2 this minus and 3 multiply by minus 2. Now again that A is equal to this 2 to the 4 and this minus will multiply this minus, we get 6 and is equal to 10. Now we here see that A is not equal to 0. It means this matrix is non-singular. Now we find adjoint A. Now we find adjoint A. This is our. Now we write here matrix A. This is matrix A. We write A matrix and A matrix is equal to 2 minus 2, 2 minus 2 and 3, 2. Now we find the adjoint this and then we put the values in the formula. Now adjoint. What is adjoint? How to find adjoint A? Adjoint, we write here adjoint A is equal to. Now adjoint A, we replace these values. We replace these values in this value will here go here and this will go here, and this diagonal sign we change the sign of the elements. Now this is also 2, this is also 2, we write this 2, 2, this 2. Now minus 2, we change this, the signs of this diagonal, we write this minus, this plus 2, and plus 3, this right minus 3. Now this is our adjoint A. Now we have that A is equal to 10, and also write B is equal to, now B is equal to 4 and 6, 4 and 6. Now this is our B. We have, before earlier we write the formula of X is equal to adjoint A over that A and into B. This is B matrix. We put these values. X is equal to, write adjoint A, this is our adjoint, 2, 2 and 2, minus 3 and 2. Now we write here B, 4, 6, 4, 6. Now in the denominator we write that A is equal to 10. Now X is equal to, we multiply this row, this 2, 2, this 4, 6. Multiply 2 multiply 4, 2 multiply 4, and plus 2 multiply by 6, 2 multiply by 6. Now again this row, second row will multiply this, minus 3 multiply by 4. Do we write this in brackets? This plus 2 multiply by 6, 2 multiply by 6 over 10. Now again X is equal to, we write here 4 2s are 8 and 2 6 are 12, plus 12, and here minus 3 multiplied by 4 minus 12, and 4 plus 6, 4 multiplied by 6 plus 12. Now we here see that 8 plus 12 is equal to 20. Now this 20. Now minus 12 plus 12, we answer 0 and over 10. Now this is written over 10. Now here also 10. Here also 10. This. Now again we write this X, we have written XY. We write here XY is equal to 20 over 20, 0 over 10. Now 10 is the denominator of 20, 10 is also denominator of 0. We write here 20 over 10 and 0 over 10. We write here is equal to 10 over 20, 10 ones are, 10 twos are. Now 2. 0 over any number is answer 0. Now we compare these values. X against 2, this is value of X is equal to 2, and Y is equal to 0. Now Y is equal to 0. Now this is the solution of this equation with the help of inversion method. Now we solve these equations with two variables with the help by using the Cramer rules. Now we use here Cramer rules. Again the same step is we write these equations in the matrix form. Now we write, it means we write the coefficient of the variable here, 2 minus 2 3 2. Now again we write the here xy variable, we write the variable is equal to this 4 and 6. Now again we have this A, this is our X, this is our B. Now again A is equal to, now this determine this matrix 2 minus 2 3 2. Again X is equal to xy. Now this is our xy, and we also know that B is equal to 4 and 6. By Cramer rules 4 and 6, this is our 6. Now we know that in Cramer rules method rules we have the value formula of X is equal to A dat X, A X dat. Now this is A, now that is subtraction X over that A. Now this is formula of X, and here Y is equal to AY, that AY over that A. Now we have find that A, we only find AX and AY. Now we write again A matrix, we write again here A matrix is 2 minus 2 3, 2. Now this is our matrix A. Now I write here B matrix. Now we have written B in 4 and 6. Now we find AX. First we write AX matrix. This is our AX matrix. A matrix. How to find A matrix? To see here, this is our first column. This is our first column, and we replace this column by these values. Again, so see here, we replace this column by this. Now in place of this we write 4, 6, 4, 6, and again same -2, 2. This is our matrix AX. Now we find here, we write here AX det AX. Now we write the det of AX. It means is equal to 4 minus 2, this 6, 2. Now we find A det AX. We find AX is equal to, we multiply by this, 4 2 is 8, 4 multiply by 2 plus, minus, there minus, and multiply by -2 and multiply by 6. This is equal to 4 2 is 8, and this minus will minus multiply, you here plus, and 12. Now AX is equal to 20. Similarly, we will find AY. We will find AY. We write AY. AY. This matrix per we write air matrix. It means, we see here, this is our matrix. This is our matrix A. This is our matrix B. We want to write AY. It means we replace this second column by these values. It means we write 2 3, 2 3 same we write, and we write 4 6 instead of this -2 2. We write 4 6 in place of this 4 6. Now we write 4 6. This is 4 6. Now this is our matrix. We write AY det in that form. Now this is our det AY 2 4 3 6. Now this is our. Now we find the det AY 2 multiplied by 6, 2 multiplied by 6, minus 3 multiplied by 4, 12, 3 multiplied by 4, 3 multiplied by 4. This AY matrix with my det is equal to 2 6 12 minus 12 is equal to 0. Now we have written formulas in before. X is equal to AX over that A. We have AX, that AX is equal to 20, and that A is equal to 10. Now we put these values. X is equal to 20, this here 20, over 10 is equal to 2. Now we have Y values is equal to AY, that AY over that A. We have that AY is equal to 0, and that A is equal to 10. Now we put these values in here. Y is equal to 0 over 10. It means 0. 0 over any number, the answer is 0. Now here X is equal to 2 and Y is equal to 0. Now this is the solution of by Cramer rules. Now we solve these second part of this question. We write, well, first of all we write the inversion method. First we find the inversion method. This is our second part. This is our second part of the first question. This is written in equation form. We write first step, the write in the matrix form. We write the coefficient of 2, or here coefficient 1, 6, 5, and here again we write x, y, and here is equal to write 3, 1, this 3, 1. Now this is our A, this is our x, this is our B. Now AX is equal to B. Now we write separately. A matrix is our 2, 1, 6, 5, and here X is equal to X, Y, and here y is equal to, and here b is equal to 3 1. Now again we write this, ax is equal to b and x is equal to a inverse b, this, and x is equal to a inverse mean we have find in exercise 1.5 and adjoint a over that a into b multiplied by b. Now we here find adjoint a and that a. First we will find the that a. Now we know that a matrix is equal to 2 1 6 5, 2 1 6 5. Now it is our matrix. Now we write in that form. Now this is our that a. That a is equal to, right here, 2 1 6 5. Now we find determinant a, it means that a. Now that a is equal to, we multiply by this and minus this, 2 multiplied by 5 minus 6 multiplied by 1 is equal to 2 5s are 10 minus 6, this, and is equal to 4. Now that a is equal to 4. That a is equal to 4. Now we find the adjoint a. Adjoint a. Now adjoint a is equal to this. Now we here matrix A, we find the adjoint of A. It means we replace these values, interchange these values. 5 will go here and 2 will go here, and we change the sign of this diagonal elements. We write here 5 2, this 5 2, minus 1 and minus 6. Now we have find the adjoint A. Now we find, we will write these values in the formulas. We find the values in formulas. Now we have write these formulas in this, we get. Now we have x is equal to adjoint A over that A into B. Now x is equal to, we write here adjoint A, we have find 5 minus 1 minus 6 and 2, and B here we know that 3 1, and again in the denominator we write that A, or that A is equal to 4. Now we find this, multiply, we multiply this by this, we multiply 5 minus 1, 5 3 minus 1 1, 5 multiplied by 3 plus minus 1 multiplied by this 1, and we here 6 2, this row will multiply this, minus 6 multiplied by 3 and plus 2 multiplied by 1, and in the denominator we write 4. X is equal to, here 5 3s are 15 and minus 1 multiplied by 1 we get minus 1. Over here minus 6 multiplied by 3 minus 18 and plus 2, this plus 2. Now we have in the denominator 4. Again we write this, 14 minus 1, 15 minus 1 is equal to 14. Now this 14 minus 16 minus 18 plus 2 we get minus 16, this, and here in the denominator 4. Now x is equal to, we have written in before, xy is equal to, this is equal to, here 14 over 4, and 4 is the denominator of 14, 4 is also denominator of minus 16, minus 16 over 4. Now here is equal to 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 7s are 14, 2 2s are 4, 2 8s are 16, 2 8s are 16. Okay, then we write here 7 by 2, 7 by 2. We write here 4 1s are, sorry, 4 1s are 4 4s are 16, 4 4s are 6, 4 1s are 4 4s are 16. We here write only minus 4. Now this, because here minus 16 over 4, 4 ones are 4 fours are 16. We get minus 4. Now comparing these values, we have x is equal to 7 by 2 and y is equal to minus 4. Now this is the solution of inversion methods by inversion method of the second part of the question. Now we solve these equation and by Cramer rules. Again we write these equations in matrix form. First 2 1 6 5. It means we write the coefficient of the variable, and here also x y is equal to 3 1. Now we have written this is our a, this is 5. This is our a, this is our x, this is our b. We write separately. A is equal to this 2 1 6 5, and again here x is equal to x over y, and b is equal to 3 and 1. Now this is 3 and 1. Now by Cramer rules we know the formulas. X is equal to that ax over that a, and y is equal to that ay, this over that a. Now we find first of all that a, then ax, then ay. Now we have A matrix is equal to 2 1 6 5. Now we find that a, right in that form, that a is equal to that 2 1 6 5. Now we find that a, it means you multiply by this and minus this multiply this. 2 multiplied by 5 minus 6 multiplied by 1, or you have that a is equal to 2 5s are 10 and minus 6, you have 4. Now that a is equal to 4. Now we find ax. But first of all we find ax matrix. Ax matrix mean we write here this is our a, this is our a, and this is our, we write here b matrix. We have written in before this b 3 1. For matrix ax, we replace this column by these values. It means we replace this 3 1 by this. It means we remove this and we write 3 1, and same 1 5. Now it is a matrix A. Now we write in matrix that form ax that. Now this is A is equal to, write 3 1 1 5. Now we find the value of ax. We find the value of ax. Now write here. Now ax, again write here ax matrix, that ax is equal to 3 1 1 5. Now we multiply by these values, this and these values. Matrix ax, that ax is equal to 3 multiplied by 5 minus, and 1 multiplied by 1 is equal to 15. This 15 minus 1 is equal to 14. This 14. Now we write ay. Now ay. We write first of all ay matrix. We write here a is equal to we have written matrix A 2 1 and 6 5, and b is equal to we have find 3 1. Now we find ay matrix. It means this value we replace this second column. We write here again 2 6, and we don't write these, we write instead of this 3 1. Now this is our matrix ay. Now we write that ay is equal to these 2 3 6 1. Now this ay that is equal to 2 1s are 2, this 2 multiplied by 1 minus 6 multiplied by 3, and we write here 2 minus 18 is equal to minus 16. This. Now ay is equal to minus 16. Now we have written in the before formula x is equal to that ax over a that. Now we have that ax is equal to, and before we have written is equal to 14, is equal to 14. Now that a is equal to, we have find before this, and it is equal to, now we have written is equal to 4. Now that a is equal to 4. This, we put these values in this. X is equal to 14 over 4 is equal to 1s are 2, 2 7s are 14, 7 by 2. Here x is equal to 7 by 2. Similarly, y is equal to that ay over that a. We know that ay is equal to have minus 16, and that a is equal to 4. Now we put these values in this, we get the formula. Y is equal to this minus 16 over 4 is equal to minus 4. 4 1s are 4 4s are 16 minus 4. Now we have x is equal to 7 by 2 and y is equal to minus 4. Now this is the solution of a second equation. Now this is the solution of this question. Now we find the third equation, third part of this question. This by inversion method. First we write again the first step same, 4 2 3 minus 1. Now x y now is equal to 8 minus 1. Now this is our a, this is our x, this is our b. Now we have a, written a matrix 4 2 3 minus 1. Now x is equal to x y and b is equal to 8 minus 1. Now this a minus 1. We write again ax is equal to b, and x is equal to, this x is equal to a inverse b, and we know that a inverse is equal to adjoint a over that a. Now into b, this is me is multiplying this. First we find a, that a. First we find a, we have matrix a is equal to 4 2 3 minus 1. This we write matrix a in form that a is equal to 4 2 3 minus 1. This. Now that a is equal to 4 multiplied by minus 1, this multiplied by this, minus 3 multiplied by 2. Now again we 4 multiplied by minus 1 minus 4, and again 3 multiplied by 2 6, this minus 6 is equal to minus 10. It means that a is equal to minus 10. Now we find adjoint a. Again adjoint a is equal to, we have this our matrix a, we find adjoint a. It means we replace these values, interchange these values, minus 1 here, 4 here, and we change the sign of this diagonal of the elements. Now write here minus 1 4 minus 2 minus 3. Now we have written this adjoint of this. Now we put these values in the formula, and we get the, we write here again x is equal to adjoint a over that a, this multiplied by b. Now x is equal to adjoint a. Adjoint we have minus 1, this minus 1 minus 2 and minus 3 4 minus 3 4. Now we have adjoint. Now we have b is equal to 8 minus 1, 8 minus 1, and in the denominator we have written minus 10. Now This is our minus 10. We write in the denominator minus 10. Now we multiply by this. X is equal to this minus 1 multiplied by 8, minus 1 multiplied by 8, plus again 2 minus 2 multiplied by minus 1, this. And here minus 3, this minus 3 multiplied by 8, plus 4 multiplied by minus 1, this. In the denominator we write minus 10. X is equal to here minus 8 and minus plus 2, and here minus 3 multiplied by 8 minus 24, and 4 multiplied by minus 1 minus 4. Again here in this minus 10. X is equal to here also 8 minus 8 plus 2 minus 6, and here minus 24 and minus 4 minus 28. Now in this over minus 10. Now minus 10 is the denominator of 6, minus 6, and minus 10 is also the denominator of minus 28. X is equal to minus 6 over minus 10, and here minus 28 over minus 10. We write this. Minus will minus cancel minus, and 2 3s are, and 2 5s are, and 2 5s are, and 2 14s are. This minus will cancel this. You have here minus 3 over 5, and here 14 over 5. Now we have written here x y, this x y, because x is equal to x y, and here we write 3 over 5 and 14 over 5. Now it is equal to, here x is equal to 3 over 5 and y is equal to 14 over 5. Now this is the solution of the third part of this question by inversion method. Now we solve this method by again inversion method, this by Cramer rule. Now we have solved this Cramer rule. Same step, we multiply, we write first in matrix form. Here 4 2 3 minus 1. Here x, this x y again is equal to 8 minus 1. Now this is our a, this is our x, this is our b. We write separately. A matrix we write here 4 2 3 minus 1. Again x is equal to x y. Again b is equal to 8 minus 1. Now this. By Cramer rules, we have the formulas. X is equal to that ax over that a, and y is equal to ay over that ay over that a. Now we will first find that a, then ax, then ay, then we put the values and get the answer. Now here a matrix, we have a matrix 4 2 3 minus 1. Now we write a, that a is equal to, now this 4 2 3 minus 1. Now this is our that a. Now if we find that a is equal to 4, this 4 multiplied by minus 1, and minus 3 multiplied by 2 is equal to minus 4, this multiplied by minus 4, and minus 6 is equal to minus 10. Now that a is equal to minus 10. Now we find ax. We again this write ax matrix is equal to. Now we want to write a matrix, ax matrix. We replace first column by b. We write here also b. We write here b matrix. We write this. But first of all, a matrix. We write this 4 2 3 minus 1, and b matrix is equal to 8 minus 1. Now 8 minus 1. We find a matrix, ax matrix. Ax matrix is equal to we replace first column by these values. It means we remove these, we write these values here, 8 minus 1 and 2 minus 1. Now it is our A matrix. This is our A matrix. Now we solve these again. Now we write in this, we write these values in AX that is equal to 8 minus 1, 2 minus 1. We find AX matrix. AX that AX 8 multiplied by minus 1 and minus into minus 1 into 2. Now this. Now AX is equal to 8 multiplied by minus 1 minus 8. Now, and this minus will multiply this plus, this is plus 2. This plus 2 is equal to minus 6. Now that AX is equal to minus 6. And now we find AY. Now we have A matrix is equal to 4 2 3 minus 1 here, and B is equal to 8 minus 1 here. We find AY matrix. It means we write these value 8 minus 1, replace this. We remove this value, this column, and we write this column. Again 4 3 and 8 minus 1. We remove this column and we write this column is here, and that AY is equal to 4 3 8 minus 1 here. Now AY is equal to 4 multiplied by minus 1 minus 3 multiplied by 8 is equal to minus 4 and minus 24. Minus 4 minus 24 is equal to 24. This minus 24 is equal to this minus 28. Now we have the formulas. X is equal to that AX over that A. We have that AX is equal to minus 6, and that A is equal to we have written before this that A is equal to minus 10. Now minus 10, this minus 10. Now we put these value. X is equal to AX values we have is equal to minus 6. We write here minus 6 over that A we have minus 10. This minus 10. This minus will cancel this, or you have 2 3s, 2 5s, 3 over 5. Now we Y values, for Y values we write AY that over A that is equal to, now we know that AY is equal to minus 28 and that A is equal to minus 10. We put these values. Y is equal to minus 28 over minus 10. Now this minus will cancel this minus, and 2 5s, 2 14s. Now answer is 14 over 5. Now value of X is equal to, we have 3 over 5, and Y is equal to 14 over 5. Now this is the solution of third part of this method. This is the solution of third part. Now we have fourth part. Now we solve fourth part of this equation. Now this is our fourth part by this method. Fourth part of the first question is this. We write first these in matrix form. 3 minus 2, 5 minus 2 here, and here XY is equal to here minus 6 minus 10 is equal to, this is our A, this is our X, and this is our B. Now here A is equal to, 3 minus 2, 5 minus 2, and X is equal to X over Y, Now here is equal to, B is equal to minus 6 minus 10. Now this is that. Now we have, again we write Ax is equal to B and X is equal to A inverse B. Now we write here again X is equal to A minus A inverse is equal to adjoint A. We have learned in before in the exercise 1.5 over that A multiplied by B. Now first we will find that A. Then we will find adjoint A. Now we have matrix A is equal to, this is our matrix, 3 minus 2, 5 minus 2. Now again we write that A, this is that A is equal to 3 minus 2, 5 minus 2. Now we find that A. Now that A is equal to 3 multiplied minus 2, 3 multiplied by minus 2, and minus 5 multiplied by minus 2. Now again 3 minus multiplied minus 2, we get minus 6. This minus 6. This minus, this multiplied minus, we get plus. It means 10 is equal to minus is equal to 4. Now that A is equal to 4. Now that A is equal to 4. Now we find adjoint A. We find adjoint A. Adjoint A means, here we see here, we replace these values, interchange these values, and change the sign of these values. We write here minus 2, 3, and minus 2 become plus 2 right here, and 5 become minus 5. This minus 5. Now, this is the adjoint of A. This is the adjoint of A. Now we write again this. We have formula X is equal to adjoint A over that A is equal to in multiplied by B. Now we have that A is equal to, that A is equal to 4, and adjoint A is equal to, we have find before, minus 2, minus 5, 2 and 3. Now we have find this. Now B is equal to, we write have B is equal to minus 6 minus 10. We put these values in this, we get the answer. X is equal to adjoint A minus 2, minus 5, 2, 3, and we write here B matrix. B is minus 6 minus 10, and here in the denominator we write here 4. Now we multiply this row by this. X is equal to this, it means minus 2 multiplied by minus 6. We write in brackets because the element has negative sign, and plus 2 multiplied by minus 10. Now this here again minus 5 multiplied by minus 5 multiplied by minus 6. This minus 6 again plus 3, this 3 multiplied by minus 10. Now this again over 4. Now here X is equal to 2 minus 2 multiplied by minus 6. This minus 2 minus 6 multiplied by 12. This 12 minus minus plus 12, and again minus 2 multiplied by minus 10 minus 20. To write here minus 20. Again minus 5 multiplied by minus 6 30 plus 30, and 3 multiplied by minus 10 minus 30, this minus 30, and over here in the 4. Now again we write this 12 minus 20 is equal to minus 8, this minus 8, this minus 8 over 0, this 0. Again we write here 4. Now 4 is the denominator of minus 8. 4 is also denominator of 0. Now x is equal to minus 8 over 4 and 0 over 4. Now we have 4 minus 2, 18. 4 ones are, 4 twos are, and minus 2. And 0 over any number is answer 0. It means xy is equal to minus 2, 0. Minus 2, 0. Here x is equal to minus 2 and y is equal to 0. Now this is the solution of by inversion method. Now we solve these equations by Cramer rules. We again write in matrix form here 3 minus 2, 5 minus 2, here minus here x y is equal to minus 6 and minus 10. Again we write this is our a, this is our x, this is our b. We write separately. A matrix is equal to 3 minus 2, 5 minus 2. Again x is equal to xy. And again b is equal to minus 6 minus 10. Now this way. Now in Cramer rules we have the value, we have the formulas. X is equal to det a x over det a, and y is equal to det a y over det a. First we will find the det a. Now we have matrix A is equal to 3 minus 2, 3 minus 2, 5 minus 2. Now this values. Now we write in that form A, that A is equal to 3 minus 2, 5 minus 2. Now we find the det of this. It means 3 multiplied by minus 2, 3 multiplied by minus 2, and minus 5 multiplied by minus 2, this minus 2. Again that A is equal to 3 to the 6 minus 6, and this plus 10 is equal to 4. That A is equal to 4. Now we find AX, that AX. First we find AX. This AX we'll find, then we will find AY. Now here this is our A determinant, this is our B determinant. We write here first here A, that matrix A is equal to, again we write here 3 minus 2, 5 minus 2, and B is equal to minus 6, minus 10. Now this is minus 10. Again we write these values here. First of all we write AX. We write AX. We first column replaced by B column. Now minus 6, minus 10, again minus 2 and minus 2. This. Again here we write in that form AX is equal to minus 6, minus 10, and minus 2 and minus 2. Now this multiply this value, this diagonal, minus 6 multiply by minus 2. Again minus into minus 10 and multiply by minus 2. Again AX is equal to minus 12. Minus plus 12. 6 to the 12. And minus again minus plus and plus minus or minus 20. This minus 20 is equal to here 12 minus 20 is equal to minus 8. This minus 8. This minus 8. And here AY is equal to we write AY, and we replace the second column by replace the second column by the B matrix. Now we write here 3 5 3 5 3 5 by the B matrix minus 6 minus 10. Now here is equal to, now AY is equal to that A form. This is our matrix AY first, then we write that A 3 5 and again minus 6 minus 10, and we find that AY. Now this multiplies 3 multiplied by minus 10 and minus 5 multiplied by minus 6. Again AY, that AY is equal to minus 30 and minus this. Now 3 multiplied by minus 10 again minus 30, and this minus will multiply with this minus, we got plus, and 5 6 are 30. Now that AY is equal to 0. Now AY is equal to 0. Now we have x is equal to that AX over that A. Now this that AX is equal to, we have find minus 8. Now that A is equal to, we have find is equal to 4, Now this 4. Now we put these values. X is equal to minus 8 over 4, and 4 2s are 8, and minus 2. Now y is equal to that AY over that A. Now that AY is equal to 0 and that A is equal to 4. Now y is equal to AY, that AY is equal to 0 over 4. This 4 is equal to 0. Now we have values. X is equal to minus 2 and y is equal to 0. Now this is the solution of by Cramer rules of fourth part. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. This, now it is a fifth part of the question number 1 of exercise 1.6. Now we write these equations in matrix form. Now right here it means we write the coefficient of variable minus 2, minus 6, 4. Now here we write x, y is equal to 4 over 7. Now again this is our A, this is our x, this is our B. We write here A is equal to 3 minus 2 minus 6, 4. X is equal to xy, and B is equal to 4 7. Now we write here x is equal to A inverse B, and x is equal to A inverse adjoint A over that A. Now multiply by B. First we will find that A. Now write here A matrix. This is our A matrix. 3 minus 2 minus 6, 4. Now we write in that form is equal to 3 minus 2 minus 6 and 4. Now we find 3 multiply 4 and minus 6 and multiply by minus 2. Now again that A is equal to 3 4s are 12 and minus this minus multiply this minus plus and minus 12. Now minus 12 is equal to 0 but because that A is equal to 0, so it is a singular matrix. It is a singular. So the solution does not exist. In inversion method and also in Cramer rules method. Now we solve the sixth part of the question of this. The sixth part. Now we solve the sixth part. Now this is our sixth part. We again write in matrix form here. This is our matrix 4, 1, minus 3, minus 1. Again, this is our matrix. This x and y is equal to 9 minus 5. Now this is our. Again, this is our A, this is our x, this is our B. Now A matrix is equal to 4, 1, minus 3, minus 1, and here x is equal to xy, and B is equal to 9 minus 5. Again, we have Ax is equal to B, and x is equal to A inverse B. This. Or we know that x is equal to an A inverse is equal to adjoint A over that A multiplied by B. Now we have to find adjoint A and that A. Now again we write matrix A is our 4, 1, minus 3, minus 1. Now this is our matrix. We write in that form. This is our that A is equal to 4, 1, minus 3, minus 1. Now that A is equal to, now 4 multiplied by minus 1. 4 multiplied by minus 1. Minus into minus 3 multiplied by 1 again is equal to 4 multiplied by minus 1 minus 4. Now this minus plus, and 3 multiplied by 1 is equal to 3. Now this 3 is equal to minus 1. That A is equal to minus 1. Now we find adjoint A. Adjoint A. We have written this matrix A. We adjoint A. Write adjoint A. Adjoint A mean we interchange these values and change the sign of this diagonal. This minus 1 here and 4 here. Minus 1 and 4. Minus 1 and this minus 3 plus 3. Now this is adjoint A. Now we find the values. We put these values in this form. Now we have written, again we write here x is equal to adjoint A over that A multiplied by B. This is that A. X is equal to, we write here adjoint minus 1 and minus 1 again, minus 1 again, and 3 and 4 multiplied by B. B is equal to 9 minus 5. Now this is our B. Now in the denominator we write minus 1. This because we have that A is equal to minus 1. X is equal to, we write this multiplied by this, minus 1 multiplied by 9 and plus minus 1 multiplied by minus 5. This minus 5. Again here this 3 multiplied by 9, this 3 multiplied by 9 and plus, and 4 multiplied by minus 5, this over minus 1. Again x is equal to this minus 1 multiplied by 9 minus 9, and minus plus, we write here 5, this plus. This 9 3s are 27, and 4 multiplied by minus 5 minus 20 here is over minus 1 is equal to, again minus 9 plus 5 minus 4, 27 minus 20 only 7 over minus 1. Now minus 1 is the numerator of this and this. We write here xy is equal to this, x is equal to this, and over minus 4 over minus 1 and 7 over minus 1. Now this minus will cancel this, and you have 4 and minus 7. This. Now x value corresponding, x is equal to 4 and y is equal to minus 7. Now it is the solution of, this is the solution of this sixth part of the question. Now again we write now sixth part by the help of Cramer rules. Now same step of this question is we write first in matrix form. This is our matrix 4, 1, minus 3, minus 1, and here x, y, and here is equal to 9 minus 5. Again this is our A, this is our x, this is our B. Now A is matrix 4, 1, minus 3, minus 1, and x is equal to there x, y, and B is equal to this 9 minus 5, 9 minus 5, 9 minus 5, this minus 5. Now in Cramer rules we have values x is equal to that ax over that a, and y is equal to that ay over that a. Now we have A matrix is equal to 4, 1, minus 3, minus 1, and B is equal to this, B is equal to, first we find that A. Now that A, written in that A is equal to this 4, 1, minus 3, minus 1. Now 4 multiplied by this, 4 multiplied by minus 1, and minus 3 and multiply 1, this. That A is equal to minus 4, this multiply 4 is equal to minus 4, and this minus will multiply this minus, we get plus, and plus 3 is equal to minus 1. That A is equal to minus 1. Now again we write A, we write this A matrix is equal to this matrix A 4, 1, minus 3 and minus 1. Now B matrix is equal to, we have write 9 minus 5. Now we find AX. Now AX. Well, first we will find matrix AX. Matrix AX means this is our matrix A, this is B. We replace this column. Now we write here 9 minus 5 and 1 minus 1. Now we write AX matrix. That is, we write here 9, 1, minus 5, minus 1. We find that AX. 9 multiplied by minus 1 here, and minus multiply minus 5 by 1. This minus 5 multiplied by 1. Now that AX is equal to 9 multiplied by minus 1 minus 9, or this minus will multiply this plus, or we write plus 5 is equal to minus 4. This is minus 4. And here AY, we write here AY. It means first of all we find AY matrix. Here we replace this second column by this. We write 4 minus 3 and 9 minus 5. Again here we write in that form AY is equal to 4 minus 3, 9 minus 5. Now we again AY that is equal to 4 multiplied by minus 5 and minus into minus 3 multiplied by 9, this 9. Again minus 20, and minus minus plus, plus 27, this, and ay, that is equal to 7. Again, ay is equal to, that ay is equal to 7. We know that x is equal to that ax over that a. Now that ax is equal to, we have find minus 4, and that a we have find minus 1, this minus 1. We put this value here. X is equal to minus 4 over minus 1. This will cancel this. You have 4. Similarly, y is equal to that ay over that a. Now this is equal, we have a, that ay is equal to, we have find before 7, and that a is equal to minus 1. We put this value here, is equal to, here y is equal to 7 over minus 1 is equal to minus 7. Now we have x is equal to 4 and y is equal to minus 7. Now it is the solution of 6th part of this question by Cramer rule. Now we solve the 7th part of this exercise, question number 1. This is the 7th part. We write here. Now 7th part of this. This is, now first same step we write by, this is our inversion method. Now we write inversion method. This 7, this is inversion method. We write same step is, we write first in these equation in matrix form, 2 minus 2 minus 5 and minus 2. Again, this is our x, this is our y, is equal to 4 on minus 10. Now this is our a, this is our x, this is our b. Now we write separately. Matrix A is equal to 2 minus 2 minus 5 minus 2. Now x is equal to x, y, and b is equal to here 4 over minus 10. Now again we write ax is equal to b and x is equal to a inverse b. Now we know that x is equal to a inverse. We write here adjoint a, formula of a inverse over that a into b. We have to find adjoint a and that a. First we will find that a. Now a matrix we have written again, write again 2 minus 2 minus 5 minus 2. Now we write in that a, this is our that a, we write 2 minus 2 minus 5 and minus 2. Now this is, now a that 2 multiplied by minus 2, 2 multiplied by minus 2 and minus 5 multiplied by minus 2. Again that a is equal to minus 2 to the 4 minus 4, this minus multiply, plus and minus 10 is equal to minus 14, is equal to minus 14, okay, minus 14. Now we find adjoint a. Adjoint a mean we interchange this diagonal, these values, and change of the sign of this diagonal. We write here minus 2 and minus we write plus 2 plus 2 and plus 5. Now it is the adjoint of a. Now we find the formula, we write these values in the formula. We write these formulas in this here. Now we know that x is equal to adjoint a over that a into b. we know that adjoint here we have find x is equal to adjoint A minus 2, 2 and 5 and 2. We have this. Now B is equal to, we have B 4 minus 10. Now 4 minus 10 over, we have find that A minus 14. Now x is equal to, we multiply minus 2 multiply 4, minus 2 multiply by 4 and plus 2 multiply by minus 10. Again 5 multiply 4, 5 multiply 4 minus 4 multiply by minus 10, 2 multiply by minus 10, minus 10 again and over minus 14. Now x is equal to, we write minus 8 and this minus and plus minus or minus 20, this minus 20 over 5 4 the 20 and this minus plus, we have 20 again, 5 4 the 20 and 2 20 minus 20, here minus 20, this is our minus 20 because this is minus, this plus and this minus, you write here minus 14. Again we write here minus 8 minus 20 minus 28 and 20 minus 20 is 0. Again here minus 14. Now x is, now write here x y here is equal to, this minus 14 is the denominator of this also this, minus 28 over minus 14 or 0 over minus 14 now is equal to, this minus will cancel this, 14 ones are 14 twos are 28, now 2, 0 over any number, answer 0. So x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 0. Now this is the solution of by inversion method. Now we solve these equations by Cramer rules. Now again first we write these equations in matrix form, 2 minus 2 minus 5 minus 2. Again write here x y again is equal to 4 minus 10 and again this is our A, this is our x, this is our B. We write here A matrix, we write this 2 minus 2 minus 5 minus 2 is equal to, now x is equal to x y and B is equal to 4 minus 10. Now again we in by Cramer rules we know the formula, x is equal to a x that ax over that a. Now y is equal to that ay over that a. First we will find that a, then we will find that ax and that ay. Now we have write A matrix again for 2 minus 2 minus 5 minus 2. Again we write that A is equal to, that A is equal to 2 minus 2 and minus 5 minus 2. Again we find that A. Now that A we find here, these 2 multiplied by minus 2, 2 multiplied by minus 2 and minus into minus 5 and minus 2 here. That A is equal to minus 4 and here minus minus plus and plus minus minus, minus 10 is equal to minus 14. Now that A is equal to minus 14. Now we find AX. Now again write our matrix A is equal to 2 minus 2 minus 5 minus 2. Again, and B matrix is equal to, we have written before, 4 minus 10. Now first we find AX matrix. AX matrix, it means we replace this column by this B matrix, and we write here 4 minus 10 and minus 2 minus 2. Now again we write AX that AX is equal to 4 minus 2 minus 10 and minus 2. Again we write this 4 multiplied by minus 2 and again minus into minus 10 and in minus 2. This again we write again we find the that A, we write that A, and that A is equal to that AX is equal to minus 8 and minus plus and minus 20 is equal to minus 28. Now this is our AX. Now we find again AY. First we write AY matrix. It means you replace the second column by the B matrix. We write here 2 minus 5 and we replace second column by A and we write 4 minus 10. 4 minus 10. This. Again this AY, we write here AY that is equal to 2, 4 minus 5 minus 10. Right here 2 multiplied by minus 10 and again minus here and minus 5 and multiply by 4. This. Now that AY is equal to 2 multiplied by minus 10 minus 20. Now is equal to next this minus will multiply this plus, we write plus 20 is equal to 0. It means that AY is equal to 0. We have written in before formula that AX over that A. Now AX, we have find AX, that AX is equal to minus 28 and that A is equal to, we have find earlier in that A is equal to minus 14. Now put these values here. X is equal to minus 28 over minus 14. This will cancel. 14 ones are, 14 twos are. Now X is equal to 2. This minus cancel. 14 ones are, 14 twos are. Now X value is equal to 2. Now we find Y value. Y is equal to that AY over that A. Now we have find AY, that AY we have find is equal to 0. Now we have also find that A is equal to, we have written minus 14. Now we put these values in here. Y is equal to 0 over minus 14. We know that 0 over any number, answer is 0. So X is equal to 2 and Y, X is equal to 2 and Y is equal to 0. Here again 0 over minus 14. This is that AY is equal to 0, that A is equal to 14 minus 14. We put these values, AY 0 and that A minus 14 is equal to 0. 0 over any number is 0. Now we have written X is equal to, we have find this, and Y is equal to 0 this. Now this is the solution of seventh part of this question. Now we find the eighth part of this question right here by emergence. This is our eighth part. We write again these equation in matrix form. 3 minus 4 1, this coefficient 1, here 2. Now X Y is equal to 4 8. Now this we write matrix of the coefficient of the variable. This is 3 coefficient, 4 here 1 and 2. This is our A, this is our X, this is our B. Now A is equal to, A matrix is equal to 3 minus 4, 1, 2, and X is equal to X, Y, and B is equal to 4, 8. Now we have written this. Now again we write this, A, X is equal to B, and X is equal to A inverse B. We write here, and A inverse is equal to, X is equal to adjoint A over that A multiplied by B. Now we find first that A. Now we have A matrix is equal to 3 minus 4, 1, 2. Now we write in that A is equal to 3 minus 4, 1, 2. Now that A is equal to 3 multiplied by 2. This 3 multiplied by 2 minus 1 into minus 4 is equal to 6 plus 4. This minus 4 is equal to 10. Now that A is equal to 10. Now we find adjoint A. Now this adjoint A is equal to, now adjoint A, we interchange these diagonal values and change the sign of this diagonal. Now 2, 3 and 4 minus 1. We have find the adjoint of this value. Now we solve again by this method. Now is equal to, we have X is equal to adjoint A over that A multiplied by B. We write here X is equal to adjoint A. We have find 2, 4 minus 1, 3 and multiply by B. B have we 4, 8. Now this 4, 8 over, we have find the that A. That A is equal to, we have find 10. Now this 10. Now we multiply X is equal to 2 multiplied by 4, 2 multiplied by 4 plus 4 multiplied by 8, 4 multiplied by 8. Now again minus 1 multiplied by 4, minus 1 multiplied by 4 and 3 multiplied by 8 over 10. Now this 10. Again X is equal to 4 to the 8 and 8 4 the 32. Now 32. Now minus 4. Minus multiplied by 4, minus 4 and 3 8 are 24 over 10. Again we write this X is equal to 8 plus 32 40 and minus 4 and plus 24 20 over 10. Now 10 is the numerator of this and this. X, we write here X Y is equal to 40 over 10 over 20 over 10. Now 10 ones are 10 fours are 10 ones are 10 twos are is equal to 4 and 2. Now X is equal to 4 and Y is equal to 2. Now this is the solution of this by inversion methods. Now we solve this equation by Cramer rules. Again we write these equations in matrix form. We write the coefficient of this matrix 1, 2, and again here X, Y, again here 4, 8. Now this is our A, this is our X, this is our B. We write A matrix is equal to 3 minus 4, 1, 2, and X is equal to X, Y, and B is equal to here 4, 8. Now Again, in Cramer rules we know the formulas. X is equal to that AX over that A. Now Y is equal to that AY over that A. First we will find that A. Now we know that A matrix is equal to 3 minus 4, 1, 2. Now we write in that form. This is our that A, this is that 3, 1 and minus 4, 2. Now we write this. Now that A is equal to, we multiply by this and this multiply by and minus 3 multiply by 2 minus this minus 4 and 1. Again 3 2 is 6 and this minus plus and 4 is equal to 10. Now that A is equal to 10. Now we find A matrix AX. We write here also, we write first B matrix. B is our 4 8. Now we write matrix AX. AX means we replace this column of matrix A by B, this column. We write here 4 8 and minus 4 2. Now this, and again AX, that is equal to this 4 minus 4 8 2. This 2 is equal to 4 multiplied by 2 plus minus 8 into minus 4. Again that AX is equal to, that A is equal to 4 2 is 8 and this minus plus and 32 is equal to 40. Now AX is equal to 40. Now we'll find AY. Now we'll find AY. Now this is our Y. Now AY, that AY is equal to, Y is equal to that AY over that A. Now we have find AY. That AY we have find is equal to, earlier before this we have find, no, first we find AY. We will find AY. That's AY. Now first we have find AY is equal to, we write the second column by B. We write second column by B matrix. So we write here 4 3 1 and second column replaced by B, and this is 4 8. Now this will come. Now we write AY, that is equal to 3 1 and 4 8. This is equal to, multiply, we find that A by 3 multiplied by 8 and minus 1 multiplied by 4 is equal to, that AY is equal to 24 and minus 4 is equal to 20. Now AY is equal to 20. Now we find X is equal to AX over that A. Now we know that AX is equal, that AX is equal to, we have find 40 and that A we have find is equal to 10. Now we put this value here. X is equal to 40 over 10 is equal to 4. Similarly, Y is equal to that AY over that A. We write AY, that AY is equal to, we have find 20 and that A is equal to 10. Now put these values here, we get the answer. Y is equal to 20 over 10 is equal to 10 ones are 10 twos are, ये 2. Again X is equal to, we have find 4 and Y is equal to 2. This is the solution of Cramer rules of the 8th part.